So you shared your documents with your colleagues or your friends, and somebody just scattered everything, moved everything around, and even deleted some things. It's not Malamartek's fault. It's also not your fault. Come, let me show you how to fix this quickly. First, you open the document that you want to fix. Once it opens, go up to the left side of the document. You will see File. Go to Version History, then choose See Version History. This will open the versions available for this document on the right side of your document. Each version has a date, time, and even the people that worked on the document at the time. To the right of each version, you will be able to see three dots. If you click on it, it will give you three options. The first option we're going to explore is Make a Copy. This will allow you to keep a copy of this version. You may wish to rename it. Once you rename it and click on Make a Copy, it saves a copy for you automatically in your drive. Let's go back to our document. You may wish to change the name of this version. You may wish to restore this version. This will restore the old version of your document. You see, nothing spoiled. It will ask you, restore this version. Your current document will revert to the version from July 13th at 9:40 a.m. So you have an option of either restore or cancel. And just like that, your document has gone back to its original state. If you want to learn how to create this document from scratch or how to share and collaborate with your colleagues or your friends, please check for the link in the description box of this video. No stress, just tech with Malamer Tech. Thank you.